नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अभ्यास में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम अगस्त थर्ड वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। अगस्त सेकेंड वीक का वीडियो अपलोड हो चुका है, जो आपको आई बटन पर मिल जाएगा, उसे भी आप देख लीजिए। IBPS RRB PO के लिए वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और होने वाले सभी IBPS मेंस के और SBI के लिए सब इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ओके, तो चलिए अब इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, Which company to launch an online portal called My eHeart to empower artisans and strengthen the value chain of handicraft sector in the country? So this is HCL. HCL. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, India's first drone forensic lab and research center has been inaugurated in which state? So this is Kerala. Okay, Kerala. Next, which bank has announced the introduction of green and sustainable deposit to safeguard the environment from climate change? So this is HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank. अगला क्वेश्चन, RBI imposed a monetary penalty on how much amount on cooperative robo bank UA? So this is 1 crore penalty. Okay, RBI imposed 1 crore penalty on cooperative robo bank UA. Okay, next, recently RBI cancelled the license of which bank in Maharashtra? So this is Karnala Nagri Sahakari Bank. Okay, Karnala Nagri Sahakari Bank. अगला क्वेश्चन, how much amount will be spended under the Prime Minister Gati Shakti initiative which announced by Prime Minister on Independence Day? So this is 100 lakh crore. Okay, 100 lakh crore will be spent on India's infrastructure project. Okay, infrastructure project. What is the infrastructure project? That roads, trains and etc. Okay, so this money will be spent on these projects. Okay, so next question, how many Vande Bharat train will be launched in the country during the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? So this is 75 Vande Bharat train. This year India celebrated its 75th Independence Day. So Prime Minister Modi to announce two various important things. India will celebrate this year Independence Day as a Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So under this initiative, our government announced that India will launch 75 new Vande Bharat trains in various cities of the country, and one another project that I discussed in previous question, that called 100 lakh crore and the Gati Shakti project. Okay, these are two important things. Next, which state has decided to set up training center for ATS commandos? So this is Uttar Pradesh. Recently Uttar Pradesh announced to set up a training center for ATS commandos. ATS for anti-terror squad. Okay, next question, okay, who is the first Indian to receive the highest civilian award in the United States? So this is our nation, father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. अगला क्वेश्चन, what is the financial inclusion index for the period ending March 21 introducing by RBI? So this is 53.9%. Okay, 53.9%. अगला क्वेश्चन, which state launched India's first smart health card scheme? So this is Odisha. Odisha. अगला क्वेश्चन, who named as the brand ambassador of adventure tourism in Kerala? So this is Indian Olympian PR Srijesh. Okay, PR Srijesh. Next, which country is the chair of for 5th meeting of BRICS industry minister in 2021? So this year India will host BRICS Shikhar Summit and ministerial meetings. Okay, next question, what is the rank of India in terms of cryptocurrency adoption? So this is India's second rank in the adoption of cryptocurrency. Okay, next question, which state gets first smoke tower? स्मोक टावर चीज़, स्मोक टावर मतलब होता है कि एक टावर लगाया जाएगा जिससे वो फ्रेश हवा को रिप्रोड्यूस करेगा इन द एयर. ओके, सो दिस इज बाय दिल्ली. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. BRICS nations signed an agreement for cooperation in remote sensing satellite data sharing with which space? So this is our Indian Space Agency, ISRO. Okay, next. Amazon Alexa gets which Bollywood star as a part of its voice assistant in India? So this is our greatest actor, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, Amitabh Bachchan. Which highway has become country's first electric vehicle friendly highway? So this is Delhi to Chandigarh highway. Okay, Delhi to Chandigarh highway. Next question. Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurates a Center for Research and Innovation in AI set up at which institute? So this is in IIT Hyderabad. Okay, IIT Hyderabad. अगला क्वेश्चन. India rating called INRA insult projected country's growth rate for financial year 22, that is 9.40%. Okay, 9.40%. अगला क्वेश्चन. Recently Shantilal Jain has appointed as the MD and CEO of which bank? So this is Indian Bank. Okay, Indian Bank. Where is the headquarter? That is Chennai. Okay, Chennai. अगला क्वेश्चन. The Small Business Loan Initiative has been unveiled in India by which company in collaboration with Indify? So this is Facebook. Facebook and Indify launched Small Business Loan Initiative for traders. New Collection is a DIY digital repayment platform launched by which bank? So this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So we discuss all important question. If you find it relevant, subscribe this channel. We are ending this video. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Thank you.